Hi guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button. 10 seconds. No one's gonna find me here. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Seekers. Hi, there's one. You're a big baby. Seeker. Survive. How am I supposed to not survive? Oh. They spin. No one told me they spawned. No one. Also, I have played this game before. As you can see, I have 2,128 points because it's just so fun. Although, how is anyone supposed to survive? Like, I can barely survive up here if real. Stand clear of the fires. What do? I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. What is happening? I can't do anything. Wait, that's me. Oh, I'm controlling myself. Come on. What do I do? Oh, sadly of the fires. Why is it so easy? Wait, where am I? Oh, there. It's so annoying when you can't move the camera. Well, the camera in the game, not the real camera. And the teleporter just stopped. 7 players survived. Well, that was easy. Go in. Probably made. Where's the bait? It's right here. Escape. I'm not escaping. Okay. Open. Yes. Oh! I almost died. Escape. The bait. No, I survived. I survived. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait, what? Open daily reward instantly. I didn't even know there was daily rewards. What is my daily reward? Guess you gotta do what you gotta do to not get rewards. Everybody. 3,000 coins. 3,000 coins, 3,000 Robux. My boy got that. That would be easy. Oh wait, now we have to go that way. Pretty easy. Wait, I might fall off. No, no. No, don't fall off. No. Oh wait. I'm surviving. We're all surviving. Roger and Alexia. Alexa. Oh gosh, my brain not working. Just hurry up. I'm so bored. I think one player needs to survive. No, wait. 3 players won. Okay, stay close to light. I am close to light. Oh no, 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 no. It's not shrinking. But you take the damage. Wait, did I win? Or did I lose? Survive. What do I do? Which platforms? How am I supposed to know? I'm just jumping on random platforms. And hope I survive. Wait, how did I survive that? No, no, no. Because it was jump to that one. Wait, we survived. Wait, the same 3 people. No, wait, not the same 3 people. Get ready to be the bending one. I'm doing a terrible job. How is that? Oh my gosh. I'm sad because I snored. Okay, I'm not sad anymore. But I will snore. Can I survive a full dead? Will this one fall next? Just jump. They fall every random second. What's a random second? A random second is a random second. What am I doing? I'm gonna jump. Oh, oh. I'm still surviving. I'm stuck. Wait, I'm not stuck. I am stuck. Can I jump a block? Oh gosh. That was so risky. I'm more blocks than that maybe. No, I don't. I only have 2. No, 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 no. No, I can't die next. I can't die next. They throw that. No, 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 no. And I died. That was. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Congrats. Avoid getting first. Go, 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 go. I'm so sad. In real life. Just kidding. Wait, you need to just jump out of it. Get to the end. I wanna... No. No, that did not just happen. Tell me that did not just happen. That did not just happen. And I'm dead. Okay, I'm not even gonna try. So where is it? Go, go, go. Okay, I'm not playing. Well, I am playing, but you guys get what I mean. I'm just gonna follow this dude. He knows his way, right? Right. And I'm frozen. Should I just wait? Like, I don't want to win. And I'm dead again. And how can ice float? Someone tell me, how can ice float? No, how am I stuck? Stuck. I can't watch that dude. I can't, but I can. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, this saved my life. Jump. I can't jump. I can't jump. Should I jump? Why am I stuck? Wait, I have to reset my character. Reset character, reset. Oh, good. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Okay. How are you supposed to know to start on the very edge or the middle? Okay. Enter the castle of doom. Just kidding, it's not doom. Might be doom, but let's figure it out. It's not doom. Wait, why am I so slow? Oh god, I'm slippery. Oh gosh. No, I'm not dying. from ice. Like in Minecraft, ice is slippery, so real fast on it when you jump. Wait, I'm actually pretty good at this. No, 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 no! No, no! How did I make it? Go, 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 go! Batman Ice Cream 5. Who is that? Saying that's me. Because I'm not creative, I just did my first superhero, my favorite thing, and my favorite, odd number. Okay, come on, hurry up. Think fast, think fast. How was I supposed to think fast? Also, guys, yeah, I'm gonna soon make another channel called Diamond Axolotl. No! Please say I got it. I didn't get it. Wait, I got it. I got it. Nice. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. I'm Yellow Man. I'm Yellow Man. Yellow Man, Yellow Man. Yellow, dellow, dellow man. No, no. Oh, wait. I'm Yellow. Who was that? Maybe it was a sound effect. Let me get all the blues. Because I'm Blue Man. If you didn't know my favorite color is green, that's why I got an emerald axolotl, not diamond axolotl. I think it's pretty obvious. No, no, no. Okay. Now I can go through. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, wait, I made it. Wait, I didn't make it. I think we'll do a bit more. And stop. And end the video. Oh gosh. I am dead. I'm dead. And I can't fall the acid again. That is pretty bitty. Wait, if you happen to green and you fall into the acid, are you dead? Or are you alive? Because the acid green. That's weird. Meh. Hello. Hit that button. I'm clicking it. You might not see it because my computer is broken. Come on, come on. 116. How much did I get? I don't even know. Lodge to reach the end. Where's the lodge? There's a lodge. Jump, 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 jump. I made it to the next level. Is this a level game? I know there's levels, but I literally said, Dude, that dude definitely cheated. I don't know how. Maybe he used the things in the shop. I might. No! No! I might. Is this a checkpoint? It's a checkpoint. Jump. 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 No. Oh no, I'm in navigation. If I die, I don't worry. But I don't worry. Because I'm a winner. Coin, that's my coin. No, stop. This is my coin. Stop it by touching them. Where? Tell me. No, guys. Netball. Oh gosh. Netball. I got it. The netball. We got the netball, we got the netball, we got go, guys. No. No. No! Where is everyone? And now, avoid the rockets. Where? Tell me. Oh. There's a rocket coming out. And a rocket coming that way. So easy, guys. If you die, I am gonna kill you in real life. Even though I don't know where you are, I will find you. Also, why are there so many rockets? Why are there so many rockets? Why are there so many rockets? Why? No. There's so many. I mean, like the tops, but not tops. But tops. Like 7 players. Like, you gotta agree with that. Reach the exit. That first jump, so many people died in. The second jump, I died in. Cause you know, I'm about to mess up. Oh gosh. I didn't even touch the lava. I didn't. Is that lava or orange juice? Comment down below. Lava or orange juice. After this level, I'm gonna, after this round, this video is gonna end. Or should I end it now? This one a bit longer. So, at the end, this round. But I'm actually pretty good with these. Okay, which one is it? Okay, should I stop? I'll stop.